Here in New York, Microsoft's finally announced Windows 8 is going on sale. They've launched their own tablet computer, the Microsoft Surface, which is the first device they've ever made. Effectively, that's challenging the computer manufacturers that have dominated without Windows before to do better. The effect of that has been to polarize the views of analysts and of many consumers, because you've got a whole new device and you've got a whole new operating system that works in a fundamentally different way. There's a lot of people that want Microsoft Windows 8 to work, but there's also a lot of people that wonder whether consumers and businesses will embrace what's actually a very different way of working. It's built for tablets and built for touchscreens. Now, when Microsoft launched Windows 8 itself, they were very careful to make sure there were a lot of other tablets and a lot of other laptops and computers generally on display. They then went on to a second launch that was dedicated entirely to Microsoft Surface. What that shows, I think, is that they're very keen to push their own device, but they're also very keen to remind users that Windows has always been supported by Samsung, by Acer, by Asus, by lots and lots of different manufacturers. Those guys are going to continue to make the vast majority of the machines that people buy and use for this new platform. But Surface does remain, as Microsoft put it, the best platform, the best showcase for this new operating system. It's got a very, and this is a peculiar thing to say, it's got a very exciting keyboard. It's a very thin, very soft cover. They call it the soft cover. And the idea of that is that you've got a tablet that is also effectively a laptop. It's a device that a lot of manufacturers wish they'd made, and it's a device that Microsoft hopes will get people excited about Windows 8 in a way that no one ever was really that excited about at a consumer level for Windows 7 or Windows Vista. And so what's most impressive about Windows 8 is the way that it's been adapted for touchscreens, adapted for tablets, and so that means you've got this new interface which is based on what Microsoft call line tiles. That means that you swipe along each different tile, which previously would just have been an icon to access an application or a program. Now it gives you a little window on what that application is doing. So if it's, say, your photos, then it's going to dragging in all the different photographs from Facebook, from other galleries that you might have signed up to. And you've also got a whole new approach for mail, for calendar, for all that stuff is instantly accessible, it's instantly visible. Now, that's impressive, but it's not necessarily enough to persuade people that this whole new interface is really the way forward.